Yeah, so we just wanted to use today to tell you what's happening this year, because we've got a lot
It's
planned,
a big
haven't we?
year.
We've got a lot, because obviously I don't know if anybody realises, but both myself, well, it's my fault really. I'm retiring this year, believe it or not. I'm 66 this year. Yes, I had a small paper round. Yeah, so we're retiring, and I'm retiring, Karen.
Even though I'm not 66.
There's only a babby, her ain't even 60 yet. Fingers crossed, the pensions, my pensions that I've got a couple of private ones and a state pension, of course. I will cut the mustard, and the best case scenario when we're retired is that we'll be able to go to Europe twice a year for as you know, 90 days if we want. So we'll see what happens there. But worst case scenario, we only be able to afford to do it once. But I think we'll be okay for the twice. Fingers crossed. But you never
see.
You never can
know
tell,
what's around
because
the
the
corner.
money ain't hit the floor yet. So we'll see. We'll keep you informed on it anyway. But as far as this year's concerned, we're here at this show now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Gonna have a look round there for you, take you around with us. And then the next one, I think we've got Easter, haven't we? And we're going to Bath. So that'd be nice. We're booked onto a site. I think it's the Marina site, which is a 2-mile walk up the towpath to Bath, or you can catch the arrive and
park and
ride thing. So yeah, it'd be great.
That's
will.
Four nights.
We'll vlog that for you. Take you with us and that, and you can have a look at Bath with us. So that's 4 nights, like Karen says. And then after that, we've got. I think we're going out with camping with some friends. We normally go to Camper Jam. But we've done it for 13 years, and to be honest, we're all a bit fed up with that now.
That's in July, isn't it?
That's in July. I think that's the next one, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Apart from anything that me and Karen slip in between, we might do 1 or 2. We haven't booked it, but what I'm saying is, if we've got a spare weekend and we're not working, we'll get off and we'll vlog that as well. So yeah, we go Stratford-on-Avon with our friends.
Yes.
Then in May, around my birthday, we're off for 21 days, aren't we? In the motorhome to Northern Europe, visiting 7 countries, I think I counted, when I was trying to get some sleep last night thinking about it. And of course we'll vlog that for you as well. And then somebody's got a big birthday, haven't they? Who was it?
I don't know. Who is it? I don't know.
I think Karen's got a big birthday. So she's going to California.
Yeah.
So, because obviously, because my pensions are coming in, you all know you get 25% tax free, so I'm using a bit of that money.
We're doing the West Coast, aren't we?
To take me and Karen on a special trip to California. So we're going to fly into Las Vegas for 2 nights, doing the helicopter ride like the Roman Radfords did, which we was aware of and always got planned anyway. And then we catch another internal flight to San Francisco, don't we?
Yes, we do.
And then we're staying there 4 nights. And then we pick up a car on the last day and we drive down the California coast, so to Monterey 1 night, Santa Barbara 3 nights, and then LA for 4 nights, where we will go to the original and first Disney park, which I've never been to. I have been to Disney parks in Florida, but I haven't been to the original one. And we've also got some tickets for Universal, so what an holiday that's going to be.
Blimey. And
then, I don't want to go into too much detail, but then just giving you a sort of an outline, we'll fill you in as we go along. In November, we're off to France, and obviously we're going to visit a few places there, because we've got 7 days on the way down to northern Spain, and we've booked a resort there called, is it called Bonterra?
Yeah, Benicassim, I think.
In Benicassim. We got that booked for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And I think we leave there on the 16th of December, and we arrive at Camping Villa Sol in Benidorm, where we stop till the 2nd of January. How about that? But then we're going to travel down the coast then, so down the coast of Spain towards Gibraltar, and then Albufeira, I think it's called Albufeira, in Portugal, and then back home. That'll be a 90-day trip, so what's a lot?
I'm exhausted thinking about it.
Woo. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, And we'll see you on the next one. It's not too far away. Easter, is that right?
Easter, yeah.
Easter. See you in Bath.
See you in the bath.
Not in the bath. See you in Bath. Bath.
Bath.
Bath. See you in Bath.